Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failure on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve failure on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Gmail and you can update your app here in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.